Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about how to find research databases or research database. So the sources or the resources I'm going to show you today. It's about it's open it's open access and replication data sets, meaning that it's data sets that used on particular research which you can access them. So this is going to be a really short video because I'm not going to share a lot. I'm going to share the um, the widely used databases for you guys to check. The first one would be Dryad. So now Dryad, and this is the link I've given you here. So I'm just going to open it over here. So it's trusted, simple, community driven, meaning whoever the researchers, they just upload their data set which they used. Okay, so it's free. You don't have to pay anything, because if you go down, you have to create a login, or if you have your ORCID login, you can just use that. You can upload, you can download. So this is how to upload here. But if you come down, way down here, why use Dryad? Any field, any format. Yeah, the information is readily available in the format of any field of research. And quality control and assistance. And it's all the files have been checked before release. Straightforward compliance, submit your data, and it's community led. So Dryad is a non-profit membership organization that's committed to making data available for research and educational reuse now and into the future. Okay, so it's not complicated. So if you can just go here, you can click advanced search, and the search organization, funding number, and even journals available here. So dataset or files and publications available from 27 to 2026, and dataset you can check whatever available formats you need. For example, like subject, you can say accounting and finance, and just click on search. It's showing nothing. Okay, let's search accounting. Let's go search again. There you go. So these are separate, like for example, research organization, you can find by them classification, but mostly there are like for science based researchers. Okay, so let's go back. So that's Dryad. I'm going to give you this link, and I'm going to give you this presentation. The next one would be a more useful and well known. It's Harvard Dataverse. So this is Harvard Dataverse, curated collection of COVID-19 data deposited in the Harvard Dataverse. So here, that user interface is more structured, and I would say a little bit user friendly. If you go back, so this is the homepage, dataverse.harvard.edu, and here you can browse by subjects. So it has agriculture from ABC to S, and you can even search here. You can add yours, and you can add a new data search. Just say, like, say stock market, and if you click on it, it will give you the latest assessing global mangrove soil carbon stocks. Different universities are here, and the researchers have submitted their relevant files or the data files to this. and you can search it by year and open licenses, like open access licenses, so it's free. You can just click on it. Indian stock market. Okay, let's see this one. Soil carbon stocks. There you go. Metaverse, terms, files, and they have added here. See, click to copy, you can save, and the metrics are shown how many downloads are here. So all of them is open access, also you can use it. So the next one is Figshare. Figshare is another community driven. This is the figshare.com. So you can, so it stores, share, discover, research. Get more citation from all your outputs for your academic research. So you can simplify your research, and trusted institution funders across. So the major universities in the world, University of Melbourne, Oxford, Auckland, all of them use and fund these institutions. And you can browse here. You can click browse, and this will have all the categories like earth, agricultural, environmental, earth sciences, economics, engineering, for example, let's say psychology. Let's see psychology. What do they have? They have all the transcript, whatever data sets you used. So this is a good starting point, like if you cannot find anything else, and you can search on this Figshare. So I'm just giving you this. The next one would be Kaggle. So this is more for like information technology or IT or data science mostly, because this has one of the best data sets for AI, and they have like machine learning, AI, LLM models. This is more like for data sets which is free, and you can download, and most importantly they have competitions as well, like for IT research. Some of them are like $450,000, and if you are a good IT nerd or IT tech, this would be good money. Create an AI capable of fluid intelligence. So 150,000 progress prize consisting of 75 final leaderboard prizes guaranteed, and 75 milestone prizes, and additional 700 bonus prize conditional. But still, it is good money, and you can just make money from your home if you're smart. So these are the 4 websites I'm gonna share, and I'm gonna give you this link to this. I'm gonna download this and upload this presentation as well into the slide. A short video to access research databases. Thank you.